Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, we have a mukbang. A Dollar Tree mukbang. No, honestly, I got the, you see these at Dollar Tree, the little thing with chips and cheese? Well, I had one. It's been in there for a month or two. Kayla hasn't eaten it. I bought it for her.
I didn't like it.
She didn't like it. So I already had taco meat left, so I made my own nachos from my Dollar Tree thing. And I've got a little lettuce over here because I like my nachos with lettuce. I've got sour cream. And I've got some salsa. And yeah, I just got chips, cheese, meat. Pretty basic, So let's eat, you guys. Let's eat. I don't like a ton of salsa.
I'm eating too, guys.
Oh yeah, I have Kayla over here next to me. Oh, and you hear Doobie.
Momo.
Go on, Doob. You hear him. Every time we sit down to eat, he has to go eat.
No more.
He's so funny. All right, let's sprinkle a little lettuce. Because why not, Oh, as I throw lettuce around. Okay. Oh my God. I'm looking for my drink and it's right here.
Diet Coke.
Pepsi. Diet Pepsi. The bottle's right next to you.
Oh.
We're both losing our mind today. Oh my gosh. All right, let's try it. I love me some nachos. I'm waiting for Melody. She hasn't done a nacho video in a minute. She's the queen of nachos.
Did you just do that loud smack?
Mm-mm.
Oh.
Yeah, I know. How about some nachos with my sour cream?
I love sour cream.
I know. Who doesn't love sour cream? Oh my God, like seriously? I could just eat the sour cream and meat.
Taco Bell sour cream's the best.
I wonder what kind they use. Yeah, I took the little cheese out. And just put it on my nachos. I know it doesn't look appetizing, but trust me, it is. It tastes way better than it looks. I should have got a fork. Got a dip. Kayla's probably going to yell at me soon for smacking.
Trying to keep it together, guys.
She hates the way I eat. So do a few people here on YouTube.
Was that good?
I don't know what it is though. I seriously have been really liking tacos and nachos. I don't know why.
Yeah.
I went years without eating tacos or nachos. Years. I don't know why. I just started liking it.
The only tacos I'll eat is from Taco Bell, but I'll eat homemade nachos.
And homemade tacos are better than Taco Bell.
Mm-mm.
Yes, they are.
Mm-mm.
You hear my band.
My listen's not like someone who farted on camera.
Comment below if you prefer homemade tacos or Taco Bell. Let's take a toll.
Taco Bell.
My vote is homemade. Kayla's is Taco Bell. Need more sour cream. I'm sorry, it is what it is, you guys. The food police do not come after me because I eat a lot of sour cream on my nachos.
You should see what mine looks like.
Do not come for me. Mm-hmm. Or maybe I just gross somebody out.
What?
I said, lick my nail.
Yeah, it was me.
That'll be in the comments. Somebody's going to notice that and say, ew, she licked her nail. I'm sorry. Finger looking good. I will not be able to eat all this. But I'm going to have fun trying.
Guys, you know she's gonna grub off camera.
Yeah. I wish I could eat huge amounts. Not huge, but bigger amounts. Sometimes I can. I might be able to eat it off. You never know. Sometimes I can.
That's a light meal.
You know why? This is crunchy. I can eat crunchy food. Something with my lap band, the crunchy food goes right down.
I like it soft. Wow. So YouTube, how's everybody's day going?
Did you hear Kayla? How's everybody's day going?
It's going great. Good. I'm happy.
Never mind. I'm using a million napkins.
So what's on my agenda today is I have to go to work.
You work today?
Yep. I work 4 to 9. I took a closing shift. I'm not really happy about it.
Sucks for you.
I'm not happy about it at all, actually. I hate my job.
Positivity, Kayla. I don't want to hear negativity.
I gotta bring positivity into this universe, you know? Sometimes it's hard.
Sometimes it's very hard to be positive, isn't it, guys?
Yes, it is. Because there's a lot of times where I work with a bunch of customers, and yesterday, I just didn't want to be nice to them. I wasn't nice to them. Maybe today I'll have a better spirit.
Have a better spirit. You got to see Adam yesterday on live stream. Adam is so darn cute, you guys.
I go to Whipple to, I go from Adam to Whipple. That's depressing.
We got to see everybody last night. His live streams are so much fun.
I won!
Kayla won a pillow.
I had to be on it. I was determined, Ruby.
It worked out perfectly because I had to pick her up from work around the time he went on.
She doesn't have that. Well, she has Instagram, but
I know, because you
she
had
doesn't
to.
know how to work it.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm not that great with
She doesn't know how
Instagram.
to screenshot.
That's what I know.
Barely.
Our girl Pink was on there last night, kicking it with Cheryl. Pretty much everybody in our community that we all talk on a regular basis was in there.
I love kicking it with Cheryl.
Mm-hmm.
I finally watched one of her videos.
Isn't she funny?
She's so cute.
If you guys don't know Kicking It with Cheryl, you have to go support her. And Pink, of course, but her and her husband are so funny. Cheryl, like, she's just so cute. She's just so cute and little, and you just want to squeeze her. The way she talks is hilarious. You think I think her mouth, she might be a New Yorker. I don't know, she's adorable. I really enjoy her videos. Kayla left me. Now you guys are just stuck with me. And Doobie. Wait to see what I have for dessert. Yes, I'm eating dessert. Do I need dessert? No. Am I going to eat it? Yeah. Am I going to enjoy it? Hell yeah. This is not healthy. So see guys, if you go get these Dollar Tree nachos, you can just hook it up with a little sour cream, some lettuce, whatever you like on your nachos. I'm pretty basic. You know who got me into nachos, honestly? Wow, chips and queso. Trisha Paytas. When she used to do her 7-Eleven or, yeah, 7-Eleven mukbangs. You know, she loved the nachos from there. So ever since then, I'm like, oh my God, she made them look so good. I love Trisha. Jesus. This is getting messy. This is something you probably should eat off of camera, because the neater I try to be, the messier it is. They're gonna say, she eats like a slob. All this goodness. Alright. I pretty much ate all the sour cream, so I'm not going to eat any more of these. We're at 12 minutes already. I got lettuce on here. I don't want to fill up on lunch. I've got to have dessert. Your girl was dry. So we are having, we call them half moon cookies. I don't know what you guys call them. I got them from the bakery yesterday. You know your girl loves her sweets. Except they kind of stuck to each other. Doobie, you can't have this. Like, seriously, it's stuck to all the frosting. Oh my God, I just got to... Wait, you see what I just did? Look. Wow. I know it doesn't look appetizing, but I promise you it is. They like melted. But we're gonna eat it anyways. My God, I got chocolate all in my nails. I always go in for the chocolate part first. Yeah, yes. It's like a real cakey cookie. Bam. I don't know why it's melting. I needed this. Bet you I'll eat the whole thing. Watch for my video too after I upload this. I'm gonna be addressing a few things. Doobie, you're making too much noise. They can't hear mommy. You're so funny. So make sure you keep an eye out for my next upload. Pretty dry again. He's under me licking crumbs. Go, Doobie. Go. I hate that licking sound. Go on. Go. Go on. I'm not going to drop nothing. Go on. You know you have manners. You better act like you got your home training. Sit. Good boy. I'm full. Hear my band? It sounds like a burp, but it's not a burp. It's my band. I'll be so happy to get this thing out of me. Got chocolate all over me. Yes. I needed this. This is what I needed. Forget the nachos. I needed this. I think I might get some Panera for dinner. I'm gonna go for. I haven't had Panera bread in so long. If I eat another sugar, I'm gonna crash. I think this is my favorite cookie. We're almost at 17 minutes. I'm trying to hurry. I do eat fast though. Trying to think if there's anything else. I'm not really just keep an eye out for my next upload. I'm going to be addressing a few things. What else? I need to catch up on some videos. I'm behind. So soft. These are so good. I think I'm one of them people that could just live on sweets and be okay. I would never have to eat real food. I could live on sweets. Well, that's it, guys. I'm fun. I'm done. Now, I'm gonna go take a nap. I'm not gonna though. Alright guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't already, and if you like my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you click that notification bell so you are the first one to get notified when I upload a new video. What else? That's it. I just love you guys. I simply just love you guys. So, alright guys, I'll talk to you guys all soon. Love yous.